Hello everyone, welcome to EduSoft. So today we are going to cover a very important topic, that is computer network. In our last session, we have already covered some topics of computer network. We have already seen about computer network, types of network, and networking technologies. So what we are going to cover in this session, we are going to see about communication media, internet, and cloud computing. So coming to our previous session, what we have learned so far? We have learned about computer network. What is computer network? A computer network is a system for communication among computers and other peripherals that are interconnected together to exchange some information. Coming to second part, what we have seen, we have already covered about types of computer networks, that is local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, and personal area network. So we have already seen about local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, and the last one, that is personal area network. We have already covered about data communication devices, or we can say network devices. We have already seen what is modem, NIC, that is network interface card. We have already covered about repeater, hub, bridge, switch, and router. So coming back to this session, what we are going to cover in this session, the first topic which we are going to study in this session is communication media. So let's start our session. So the very first question that comes to our mind is this: what is communication media? Communication media क्या होता है? As we know that a network is used to share or transmit data from one computer to other computers. हम सबको ये बात पता है कि एक नेटवर्क का यूज होता है फॉर व्हाट? टू शेयर एंड ट्रांसमिट डेटा. किसी भी डेटा को ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए या शेयर करने के लिए फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर कंप्यूटर हम किसका यूज करते हैं? हम कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का यूज करते हैं. In a computer network, devices are interconnected through a communication channel which makes it possible to transmit the data. We can establish a communication channel using cables, wires or wireless technologies. किसी भी डेटा को ट्रांसफर करने के लिए फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर हम किसका यूज करते हैं? हम नेटवर्क का यूज करते हैं. नेटवर्क जो डिवाइसेस होते हैं वो किससे कनेक्टेड होते हैं? वो एक कम्युनिकेशन चैनल से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. जो ये कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स होते हैं ये वायर्ड भी हो सकते हैं एंड वायरलेस भी हो सकते हैं. So, on the basis of communication channel, networks can be divided into two categories. Number one is wired technologies. Number second is wireless technologies. Communication channel के basis पे हमने networks को दो part में divide किया है. Number one, wired technology. Number second is wireless technology. Now coming to very first one, that is wired networking technology. Wired networking technology is also known as guided networking technology. So what is this wired networking technology? Let's see. Here signals or data is transmitted from one place to another through a wired, guided and physical media. जब भी आप किसी डेटा को या सिग्नल को एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे ट्रांसमिट करते हो तो जो उसका मीडियम है, अगर उसका मीडियम वायर्ड है, गाइडेड है या फिजिकल मीडिया है, तो हम ऐसी नेटवर्किंग टेक्नोलॉजी को क्या बोलते हैं? वायर्ड नेटवर्किंग टेक्नोलॉजी बोलते हैं. इन अदर वर्ड्स, दिस टेक्नोलॉजी यूजेस वायर्स और केबल्स एज अ कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. There are various kinds of cables or wires used in wired networking. For example, we have Ethernet cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. अगर हम जो कम्युनिकेशन चैनल यूज हो रहा है किसी भी नेटवर्किंग के लिए, उस कम्युनिकेशन चैनल में अगर आप वायर यूज कर रहे हो या केबल यूज कर रहे हो, so that networking technology is known as wired networking technology. Now coming to next part, that is coaxial cable. Now we are going to understand what is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is generally used by cable TV companies to transmit TV signals from antenna to TV sets. अगर आपको कोई भी टीवी सिग्नल एंटीना से टीवी सेट में ट्रांसफर करना है या ट्रांसमिट करना है तो आप किसका यूज करते हो? आप कोएक्सियल केबल का यूज करते हो. सो व्हाट इज दिस कोएक्सियल केबल? It consists of a center wire surrounded by insulation and then a grounded shield of braided wire. सो व्हाट इज कोएक्सियल केबल? कोएक्सियल केबल क्या होता है? एक ऐसी केबल जो कि आप ट्रांसमिशन के लिए यूज करते हो, स्पेशली यूज्ड बाय केबल टीवी कंपनीज. Finally, there is an outer plastic jacket that covers the braided wire. तो सबसे पहले आपके पास क्या होता है? एक सेंटर वायर होता है that is surrounded by insulation. उसके बाद क्या होता है? ब्रेडेड वायर होता है, and then this braided wire is surrounded by plastic jacket. Coaxial cable is a kind of copper cable used by cable TV companies between the community antenna and user homes. Coaxial cable is sometimes used by telephone companies from their central office to the telephone poles near users. It is also widely installed for use in business and corporation Ethernet and other types of local area networks. So if someone asks you what are the uses of coaxial cable, where we can use coaxial cables. So coaxial cables are used by TV companies to transmit TV signals from antenna to TV sets. They are also used by telephone companies from their central office to the telephone poles near users. They are widely used by business and corporation that use Ethernet and other types of local area network. So this is all about coaxial cables. Now coming to next one, that is Ethernet cable, or we can say twisted pair cable. So here we are going to see what is Ethernet cable. An Ethernet cable is one of the most common forms of network cables used on wired networks. It is used to connect devices like computer system, switches, and modems. Each Ethernet cable connecting two hardware devices has an 8-pin jack at each end to plug into network or Ethernet port of the devices. There are two types of twisted pair cable. Number one is crossover cable. Number second is straight cable. A crossover cable is used to connect two computer systems together directly, while a straight cable is used to connect a computer to a network switch, hub, or router in a network. So if we talk about Ethernet cable, we can say this thing that it is the most common form of network cables that we can use in wired networking technologies. We have two types of Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable दो types की होती है. Number one crossover cable. Number second is straight cable. So crossover cable का हम कहाँ पे use करते हैं? When we want to connect two computer systems together in a straight line or directly. Why we use straight cable? Straight cable का हम कहाँ use करते हैं? It is used to connect a computer to a network switch, hub, or a router in a network. So this is all about Ethernet cable. Now coming to next one, that is wireless or unguided networking technology. So here we are going to understand what is wireless networking technology. Wireless or unguided media uses electromagnetic waves for transmission of data between devices. जब भी आपका जो मीडियम होता है कम्युनिकेशन का, अगर वो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स का मीडियम है, so we can call this wireless unguided networking technology. Wireless technology does not use any physical medium like cable or wire. Depending upon the distance and speed, different technologies are used like Bluetooth, infrared, Wi-Fi for transmission of data between the devices. So now we are going to understand what is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a technology that uses short-range radio links to connect the devices. ब्लूटूथ किसका यूज करता है? रेडियो टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करता है एंड इट यूजेस शॉर्ट रेंज रेडियो टेक्नोलॉजी. अगर आपको किसी भी डेटा को ट्रांसफर करना है एंड फॉर अ शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस, ओवर अ शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस, तो आप किसका यूज कर सकते हो? आप ब्लूटूथ का यूज कर सकते हो एंड दैट डिस्टेंस इज टिपिकली अप टू 30 feet or 10 meters. Bluetooth devices generally communicate at less than 1 Mbps. Bluetooth technologies is used primarily to support simple wireless networking of personal consumer devices and peripherals, including cell phones, PDAs, wireless headsets, and printers. So, Bluetooth is a technology that uses short-range radio links to connect the devices. And it can transmit the data over a short distance, that is up to 30 feet or 10 meters. So, this is all about Bluetooth. Now we are going to start on a very next topic, that is infrared. So what we are going to see about infrared. Infrared technology allows computing devices to communicate via short range wireless signals. So if you want to communicate over a short range wireless signals, what technology you are going to use? You are going to use infrared technology. With infrared, computers can transfer files and other digital data bidirectional. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट इंफ्रारेड टेक्नोलॉजी, इंफ्रारेड में क्या होता है कि जब भी आपकी कोई फाइल या कोई भी डेटा ट्रांसफर होता है वो बाय डायरेक्शनल ट्रांसफर होता है. कंप्यूटर्स कैन ट्रांसफर फाइल्स एंड अदर डिजिटल डेटा बाय डायरेक्शनल. So what is infrared? It is a technology that is used to communicate via short range wireless signals. Now coming to next part, that is Wi-Fi, which stands for wireless fidelity. So a Wi-Fi based local area network is also known as WLAN. It also provides wireless broadband internet access to Wi-Fi enabled devices such as mobiles and laptops. Wi-Fi provides its users with the liberty of connecting to the internet from any place such as their home, office, education, campus, or a public place without the hassles of plugging in the wires. Wi-Fi connections in airports, hotels, bars, coffee shops, and more are traditionally called hotspots. So Wi-Fi क्या होता है? Wi-Fi की full form होती है wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi based local area network तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? WLAN बोलते हैं. That is Wi-Fi local area network. So it is also the type of wireless networking communication. So what is the function of Wi-Fi? It provides wireless broadband internet access to Wi-Fi enabled devices such as your mobile phones or your laptops. Now coming to next one, that is internet. Now we are going to understand what is internet. The internet, sometimes called the net, is a worldwide network of computer networks which is accessible to the general public. Internet is such a huge network of different interlinked networks related to the business, academics, government, and other networks. Therefore, internet is known as the network of networks. इंटरनेट को हम नेटवर्क ऑफ नेटवर्क्स भी बोलते हैं बिकॉज डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ नेटवर्क्स आर इंटरलिंक्ड टुगेदर. इंटरनेट को कभी हम सिर्फ द नेट भी बोलते हैं. So it is accessible to the general public. It is a worldwide network of computer networks. So the next question that comes to our mind is this: what are the uses of internet? Internet के क्या क्या uses होते हैं? Like we can say, it is used for email and chatting. It is used for news and information to get different news and information from all over the world. It is used to provide some services, or you can say to access some services. So there are various uses of internet. Internet is also called as network of networks. Why internet is called as network of networks? Because internet is a huge network of different interlinked networks that are related to academics, government, and other networks. That's why internet is known as network of networks. Now coming to next part, that is cloud computing. Now we are going to understand what is cloud computing, and this is the most important topic. Cloud computing is a technology that uses the internet to access and maintain data and application. It allows us to create, configure, and customize the application online. The term cloud refers to the network or internet. Cloud computing provides facilities to the users to store and access the data. क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग क्या होता है? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी होती है जो इंटरनेट का यूज करती है फॉर व्हाट? To access and maintain some data and some applications. Now we are going to understand what are the characteristics of cloud computing. If we can see, there are some of the characteristics of cloud computing. Number one is on-demand self-service. Number second is ubiquitous access. Number third is measured uses. And number fourth is sharing of data. You can refer to this in this image also, that is the structure of components in cloud computing. You can see different users using the cloud computing, and you can see over here that is application part, infrastructure part, and the storage part. So there are different characteristics of cloud computing. Now coming to next part of cloud computing, that is types of cloud computing. Now we are going to understand what are the different types of cloud computing. Number one is public cloud. Number second is private cloud. Number third is community cloud, and number fourth is hybrid cloud. So we can say this thing that there are four types of cloud computing. Again, we are going to see number one is public cloud, number second is private cloud, number third is community cloud, and number fourth is hybrid cloud. Now we are going to see what are the advantages of cloud computing. If we talk about cloud computing, then there are some of the advantages of cloud computing and there are some of the disadvantages of cloud computing. Coming to very first one, that is what are the advantages of cloud computing. So it is cost efficient, it is almost unlimited storage होता है आपके पास, cost efficient होती है, बैकअप एंड रिकवरी होता है, ऑटोमेटिक सॉफ्टवेयर इंटीग्रेशन, easy access to information, on demand self service. So these are the advantages of cloud computing. Now coming to next one, what are the disadvantages of cloud computing? So number one is security and privacy concern, and number second is lock-in. So there are some of the advantages and disadvantages. You can see over here advantages like unlimited storage, backup and recovery, easy access to information, cost efficient. If we talk about disadvantages, then the biggest concern is the security and the privacy concern. So we have completed cloud computing over here. What we have learned so far, we have learned what are the advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing, what are the different types of cloud computing, public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. What are the characteristics of cloud computing? And the very first one, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing क्या होता है? Cloud computing is a technology that uses the internet to access and maintain data and applications. So we have covered all about cloud computing. That's all for today. If you have any doubt in this session, you can ask me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.